Around this time last year, I brought along DJI's Mavic Pro along with me during my travels across the globe. It was a portable yet powerful drone for a photographer and filmmaker like myself. It offered me the power of flight, the ability to access the inaccessible, opening doors of creativity that was once unimaginable. Yet I wasn't satisfied. I felt that DJI could do more. And guess what? They did. Having explored my city with the new Mavic 2 Pro, I am impressed with its quiet of flight, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors, and ultimately its improved camera quality. I am excited to explore new lands with this drone to see the bigger picture.